Good morning. Yes, I'm in my Jack onesie. No, I don't care. It's Monday. I've got my Hate Monday cup. I don't know if you can see it in this, but it says too much Monday, not enough coffee. Facts. It's raining. I wanted to go to the gym today. We'll see if that happens. So we're gonna take her out. She dried really well yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the rollers and brush them out. And we'll let you know right now, I've only got my brush and my comb right now because my shit's in my car and my husband has my car. So it ain't gonna be an actual roller set comb out, unfortunately. But we're gonna do the best we can with what we got. We're just unrolling. And since it's Velcro, it's nothing complicated, right? We're just unwrapping. I'll just throw it on the couch. Fuck it. This was always one of my favorite things. It was very satisfying as an ADHD person to just remove the rods after putting in the project. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but it is very satisfying. I also want to show you how, because I put pinks on the lower side, how that's going to affect it. Not ready. Yeah, there you go. Alrighty, look at those barrel curls. Those are pretty nice. They're holding really well. That's a good sign. And that's a really good sign that you did a good job, is if they stay like that when they come out, pre-brushing, right? Especially on Velcro. Oh, I missed one. How did I miss you? So, there's that. We're just gonna finger brush her out since I don't actually have my shit. We're just going through each barrel underneath, not downwards. I'm going underneath it to keep that volume while still breaking the pieces up. Because all I'm doing is just separating the togetherness, right? That's all I'm doing. And then it'll come back through with the comb. But I don't want to damage the curls too much. Now I'm going to come back through with the brush and brush it out, brush it and roll it. You'll see here in a moment what I mean when I come around. So we're just coming underneath. We're just kind of brushing again, just the individual strands out. We're not even teasing it. We're just brushing the curl out. Oh, I skipped a rip. Come on. Apparently that Joico gel is really fucking good. Good to know. I do not need to use a whole freaking lot of it. And then I'm going to go over it. The whole point of brushing underneath it, like rounding it forward, is to keep that shape. Otherwise, if I go out like that, it's kind of gonna fuzz it everywhere. Which is not necessarily a bad thing if you want that wild look, right? That bedhead natural. Not necessarily a bad thing by any means. Just preference. So, I'm gonna pause it here. I'm gonna brush her out and we'll come back. Alright, last little bit of section here coming up. So, again, just going over and under, and then I guess my last brush through right now is just kind of making sure that the shape stays. Get over there, please. Thank you. You can see what a difference that makes. I'm sorry if I'm pulling in your hair, baby. Well, pulling your scalp. Oh, and some other front here. Again, this is not the right brush, which is why it's being a bit violent. It's not the right brush, but my shit's in my car. What I need to do is get the little teasing brush. But I've already spent a crap ton of money on new hair salon supplies, so I need to wait till I can make more money to get anything else. Girl, what happened with that fluff there? God, that's looking so good. And this is especially like that style for the old ladies who are thinning, because it's creating the volume and it's spreading that hair so that when you're brushing it out, it looks a lot fuller than it actually is. You don't want to go up. Girl, what are you doing? Oh, I kind of know where I like it. One second. That ain't the worst. That's actually kind of cute. There you go. I don't know how you can see her with the background, but oh, there you go. But it's not terrible. She's looking pretty good. She's a bit gappy, but again, wrong brush, right? Wrong brush. Have the right tools. But like, she's fluffy. See how I shaped the underneath, so it curls underneath. Goes with that shape. I gave her too much of a poof right there, I think. But I could easily go back with like the curling iron and fix that. Just because you see that gap right there. That's that over directing. Remember, I pulled this one forward And that's what can happen. But thank you for joining me on this part of my journey. And if you want a roller set, reach out to me. Just go to hedgeherbsandhearth.com and make your appointment there. Thank you.